Welcome back, everyone. Today we got 2022 Honda Odyssey EX-L trim. Now this is not 2021, this is 2022. This one's starting price is 30,760. Now this is EX-L trim, so it's not the lowest trim. This gives you 19 on city and 28 miles per gallon on highway, and averaging up to 22 miles per gallon. Now, there has not been a lot of changes in Odyssey. It has 280 horsepower, just like the 2020 or 2021, with 3.5 liter V6 engine. And for a minivan, this car is surprisingly fast. You're gonna see that later on the video when I do 0 to 40 miles test. The remote is normal. You have options to open up both sliding doors with a remote. You have trunk opener, and you can start your engine from your remote. Now, despite having 3 row seats, this van actually has pretty good cargo space. Now, I would like to thank Suyoka Honda of Harrisburg for letting me drive test this vehicle today. And if you are looking for Honda cars, make sure you visit them. The address is in the description below. Now, just for your knowledge, the lowest and cheapest trim on this vehicle is LX, which starts at $31,790, and the most expensive one, and that is the top trim, that's called Elite. And the starting price for a light is $47,820. Even in third row seat, you have a lot of leg space, and the seats are not that low. Third row seats on this type of vehicles has always been for kids only, but this van actually has a lot of space on third row also. I'm 5'6", and let me tell you, I'm comfortable with the third row and impressed with this space. This van is 8 passenger. You still have option for 7 passenger only though. A lot of space. Now you have the option to control your sliding door from the driver's seat. You have 2 driver memory seats, and the screen is pretty big. I like the screen. It's a 7-inch massive screen, I should say. And you got everything: Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. However, I don't see the map option here. I don't see the GPS built-in map on the car. You can control the passenger temperature from your driver's seat, from the screen. You have that option. Also, the passenger has the ability to change the temperature by themselves. And front seats are heated, however no ventilated seat. And you got the sunroof there. Now you have push button to shift your gears. You have to push, there are P, R, and drive and all, so you have to actually push the button. And the camera is probably the best I have seen on Honda cars. I like the camera quality for the reverse camera. And let's see how the driving is going to go. Now I see that the steering is very loose, like it's not tight or it doesn't feel heavy at all. It's super loose, and you can turn the steering without any effort. Like it does not even feel like you're driving a 8-passenger van. You're driving like a, you feel like you're driving like an Toyota Prius, super loose steering. I like that fact about this van. Now I'm going to do 0 to 60 test on a minivan, so let's see how it goes. Surprisingly, all the Honda cars I have driven so far, I just want to say this minivan is probably the fastest I've seen. Like I have driven Honda CR-V, Accord, and Civic so far, and this is the fastest pickup I've seen. I don't know how. This is the fastest. A minivan is the fastest. Alright guys, it has been a great drive with this minivan today. If you enjoyed this video and if you stayed till now, please subscribe to my channel. Your subscribe means a lot to me. Make sure you like this video, comment down below what car you want me to review next, and share the video, and most importantly, just subscribe.